Hello friends, today we are talking about Loeffler boiler. Its working. The major difficulty in Lamont boiler is the deposition of salt and sediment on in the inner surface of the water tubes. The difficulty was solved in Loeffler boiler by preventing the flow of water into the boiler tubes. Most of the steam is generated from the feed water using part of the superheated steam coming out from the boiler. The arrangement is shown in the following diagram. The pressure feed pump draws water through the economizer and delivers it into the evaporator drum. About 35% of the steam coming out from the superheater is supplied to the high pressure steam turbine. The steam coming out from the high pressure turbine is passed through the reheater before supplying to the low pressure turbine. The amount of heat generated in the evaporator drum is equal to steam tap about 65% from the superheater. The nozzles which distribute the superheated steam throughout the water into the evaporator drum are of special design and avoid priming and noise. Maintenance of Loeffler boiler require regular cleaning is required. In Loeffler boiler there is economizer. From economizer water is coming from economizer to the evaporating drum. From evaporating drum the steam is generated and it goes to the high pressure turbine. From high pressure turbine the steam the remaining steam is go to the superheater, and then from reheater. From reheater it goes to the low pressure turbine, and from low pressure turbine the remaining steam is condensate. And second is Lamont boiler. It's working. The feed water from hot well is supplied to storage and separating drum through the economizer. The most of the sensible heat is supplied to the feed water passing through the economizer. A centrifugal pump circulates the water equal to 8 to 10 times the weight of steam evaporated. This water is circulated through the evaporator tubes, and part of the water evaporated is separated in the separator drum. The large quantity of water is circulated prevents the tubes from being overheated. Centrifugal pump delivers the feed water to the headers at the pressure of 2.5 bars above the drum pressure. The distribution header distributes the water through the nozzle into the evaporator. The steam separated in the boiler is for the pass through the superheater and then supplied to the turbine. The air drawn by the blower is preheated in the air preheater by the flue gases before these are discharged through the chimney. The heated air from air preheater is supplied to the combustion chamber and it improves the combustion efficiency. In Lamont boiler, water from hot well is pumped by a feed pump and then it comes to the economizer. From economizer it goes to the superheater. It goes to the steam separating drum. Then from steam separating drum it gets heated, and there is circulating pump which circulates the water from distributing header. It goes to the evaporator, and there is superheater. By heating water, this superheater supply to this turbine, and in combustion process the flue gases are go upward, and from by flue gases this heated this heats the this heats water, this heats air from air preheater before going to the chimney. Maintenance of Lamont boiler: regular cleaning is required. Thank you.